ATCH stock next week. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see what is Atlasclear Holdings stock going next. So we're sitting at $1.83. Like, to be honest, like, number one thing in the list, this is doesn't have that much data at all. I mean, we have only from 6th of February 2022, 2024. So I mean, even previously, I mean, we have this, but you can see not that volatile at all. And today, I don't know, we were like 60% up. But I mean, yeah, fine. This is the data that we also could use. Obviously, fundamentals do play a role. But for me to be bullish, the price needs to close above this high on the 2 hour chart. Um, 5 minutes. But there's a catch. If the price starts, if it does one more break beneath this point, then I'm just bearish to the lows, right? Because this is still a supply area. So that's kind of my idea. I'm only bearish if that gives me the rules. So check out the free course below, and I'll see you in the next video.